Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Dahi or Paneer ke Sholey, that is yogurt and cottage cheese fire rolls. These are basically bread rolls stuffed with a filling made of hung curd and cottage cheese, which is made spicy and hot with chopped green chilies in it, and that is why they are called fire rolls. To make these delicious rolls, take about 2 tablespoons hung curd in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons grated or crumbled paneer, that is drained and pressed cottage cheese, along with 1 tablespoon chopped fresh Shimla mirch or capsicum, that is green bell pepper, 1 tablespoon chopped carrot, 1 or more to liking of chopped green chilies. If you are making these rolls for children, then omit green chilies. Also add 1 teaspoon chopped fresh cilantro or green coriander. Season with salt to taste and 1/4 teaspoon or to taste ground black pepper. Stir to mix well, then keep the filling aside for a while. Now dissolve 1 tablespoon maida in 2 tablespoon or more water to make thin but lumps-free solution or batter. Keep it aside too for a while. Cut off and remove side crusts of 4 bread slices one by one. Now place 1 slice on your rolling board and use a roller pin to roll into thin sheet. Roll it as thin as you can. Put 1/2 teaspoon of prepared filling on one corner side of rolled bread, 1/2 inch away from edge. Brush with prepared all-purpose flour solution on entire side edges of bread slice. Start rolling the bread slice, folding and covering over filling until other corner. Place the filled bread roll on a clean plastic sheet and brush with flour solution inside open sides of roll. Now, roll again while wrapping the bread roll with plastic sheet all around it. Hold both ends of bread roll in plastic sheet with your both hands and gently press the roll ends and twist your hands in opposite direction to seal the openings. Press tightly but making sure that open ends are closed and sealed completely. Repeat the process to roll and prepare more stuffed fire rolls one by one. You may prepare these stuffed rolls well in advance and refrigerate until required to fry and serve. This will save your time while serving to your guests and family members. Heat enough cooking oil or ghee on medium heat just 15 minutes before serving time. Carefully drop 1 filled roll first into hot oil and adjust the heat. Oil should neither be less nor be too hot, because if the oil is too hot the bread roll will blacken soon, and if it is not enough hot then bread slice will soak oil. Fry while turning sides until golden all over. Drain golden fried roll onto paper towel or tissue lined plate. Fry remaining rolls, repeating the process until golden and crisp. Drain all fried rolls onto same plate and turn off the heat. Now place fried rolls one at a time on your chopping or rolling board and use a sharp knife to cut them all into halves. You may cut them with slanting side or straight according to your choice. Transfer all onto serving platter, and serve delicious Dahi or Paneer ke Sholey, that is curd and cheese fire rolls, accompanied with choicest chutney or dip, and enjoy. We hope that you have liked the recipe. Please write your views in comments column below for sure. Your feedback is really important for us. Thanks.